I'm going to talk about whether there are any liars in our legal professions. My answer is a definite yes. Especially in this legal profession, you all have to
be careful.
There are 3 tips I'm going to share with you throughout this video. 3 tips regarding how you identify all those liars in legal profession. During this outburst of pandemic, a lot of changes for SME bosses in Malaysia. Why I say so? Because started from MCO 1.0, implementers in Malaysia started from last March. I found that many SME bosses, they are trying to do restructuring, rearrangements in their company. And that is really a good thing for them, it's a good move. That the range of SME bosses, most of them, when they really come and interviews, talk through Zoom meetings and everything, I realized that the majority of them actually, they are from overseas. They used to study in overseas and they came back and they try to start up their own business. And they found that there's no way to build a trust in the business. Black and white actually is very important because in black and white you will know what kind of duties and responsibility that clearly stated for both parties and how you're going to collaborate with each other. Everything will be clearly stated in a black and white. So agreement is already become part and parcel of every single business. So, but I found that there are a few things that I feel quite sad. It's because when I really go through reviews, their corporate agreement together with our SME team in Southeast that we well established in year 2017 when we started this office. And we found that what is happening before pandemic. First, I realized that many of the bosses, they don't really know that who is lawyer, who is liar. The first tip I'm going to share with you is, first, in Malaysia, you are not allowed to set up your legal firm under private limited company. That in Bahasa, we call it Sindang Berhad. When you receive a notice of demand, which you see at the letterhead clearly stated that it's Sindang Berhad at the back. The abbreviations can tell you that actually this particular company is a liar. They are not legal firm. Lawyer in Malaysia, they only can practice under either sole proprietors or partnership. Second thing is, how you're going to know that they are liar is, you have to always check on their background search. How you are going to check? We have a Malaysia website under the description box below. When you are going to look for lawyers, please go to this particular website. Maybe you can key in the company names, firm names, or the lawyer's name. You can straight away from the website to find out of that, whether these particular legal firms or the lawyer inside this firm, whether they are licensing lawyers or they are unlicensed. The third tips. Some of the SME bosses, they don't really know that what is law degree and what is licensing lawyer. A person who possesses a law degree, it doesn't mean that he or she is a practicing lawyer. I have many friends graduated from many universities, UM, UKM, MMU, throughout the whole Malaysia. But the thing is, many of them really never practice, and they cease practice after graduated or after tailoring. So you have to read their background, whether this particular person is a licensing lawyer or he or she may only possess a degree holder.
Thanks to William Foreign & Partners Legal Firm for this video. Do you have any legal enquiry? Please go to Google, type Johor Bahru Lawyer Talk to Us. You may choose whatever services you need from the remote control inside the website.